I think I'd be a lot more confused still if I hadn't found singing ignition. It's just helped me develop so much understanding about how the voice functions, and it's just helped me to release a lot of tension in my voice.
If I hadn't found singing ignition, I'd be in the same place I have been my whole life. I would still be in the back of the crowd at my grandson's birthday party, not singing. Since I've been doing singing ignition, my wife has a couple of times told me to speak quieter because I've been too loud. My whole life, no one's ever said talk quieter, right? So I'm enjoying it. I'm really enjoying it.
I can now connect very seamlessly between my chest voice, my mixed voice, my head voice. I have vibrato, which I never had before. I get compliments. Instead of just singing backups, I sing more leads.
Just the fact that I'm able to sing in ways I wasn't able to do before has been gratifying. And to me, singing is like a meditation. I get up in the morning, I do my vocal practice, and I feel good.
I think that singing ignition, it's like a 360-degree perfect and complete, because after 1 year and 3 months, I'm able to sing like George Michael or maybe Sam Smith in the same key. And for me, like 1 year ago was just a dream, and now it's come true, you know.